Hey, you know what's better than your morning coffee? A bank account that works as hard as you do, even while you sleep.
Exactly. And today, we're breaking down 0.7 passive income ideas that could help you make $10,000 a month. Sounds crazy, right? But stick around, because these aren't just pipe dreams. They're real strategies people are using every single day.
Let me tell you a quick story. Last year, I was working 60-hour weeks, grinding non-stop, and still barely making ends meet. Then, I stumbled across this concept of passive income. It completely changed my life.
And same here. I used to think passive income meant winning the lottery or inheriting money. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. It's about setting up systems that work for you. So let's dive into our first idea.
All right, welcome to Hemfin. I'm Hem. Listen up. Did you know there are companies out there that literally pay you just for owning their stock? These payments are called dividends. For example, if you invest $50,000 in dividend-paying stocks with an average yield of 4%, you'd earn $2,000 per year without lifting a finger. Now imagine scaling that up.
But wait, don't run off and throw all your savings into random stocks. Do your research, diversify, and maybe even start small with platforms like Robinhood or Acorns. Okay, so here's the deal. If you're good at something, and I mean anything, you can turn that skill into cash, like teaching photography, coding, or even how to bake sourdough bread. And once you create the course, it's basically set it and forget it. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable handle everything from hosting to payments. Some creators are earning 6 figures annually from one course alone. The key is picking a niche you're passionate about. Trust me, authenticity sells.
Got an extra room? Or maybe a vacation home collecting dust? Why not rent it out on Airbnb or Vrbo?
This isn't just for big cities anymore. Even suburban areas see spikes during holidays or events.
One couple we know rents out their guest house for $150 a night. That's $4,500 a month if they book 30 nights.
Just remember to keep things clean and welcoming. First impressions matter. Ever notice those Instagram influencers promoting products? They're probably doing affiliate marketing. Basically, they share links to products they love, and when someone buys through their link, they get a commission. It's low cost to start, and if you build a loyal audience, the sky's the limit. For instance, bloggers who review tech gadgets often earn thousands monthly from Amazon affiliates. Pro tip: focus on niches you genuinely care about. Authenticity builds trust, and trust drives sales.
What if I told you that instead of letting banks profit off lending your money, you could be the lender? Welcome to peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper connect borrowers directly with investors. You lend money, they pay it back with interest. Average returns, around 5 to 7% annually. Of course, there's risk involved, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Diversification is key here too.
If you're musically inclined or creatively talented in any way, you can earn royalties forever. Write a song, design artwork, or publish a book, and watch the checks roll in. One musician friend of ours wrote a track years ago, and it still generates hundreds each month from streaming services like Spotify. Not bad for a few hours of work, huh? So tap into your inner artist. Who knows? You might end up creating the next viral hit.
Last but definitely not least, dropshipping. This is perfect for anyone who wants to run an e-commerce store without dealing with inventory headaches. You set up a Shopify store, partner with suppliers, and when customers buy, the supplier ships the product directly to them. No storage, no shipping stress.
Sure, it takes effort up front to build the brand, but once it's running smoothly, it's pretty hands-off. So there you have it. 7 legit ways to build passive income streams. Whether you're investing, creating, or renting, the possibilities are endless.
But here's the catch. None of these will happen overnight. Building wealth takes time, consistency, and smart decisions. Start small, stay patient, and scale wisely.
And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips on crushing your financial goals. We'll see you in the next one.